the new house.
Yung powder room.
The
Nilagyan na
bathroom.
ng ano.
Yung shelf, ano?
Parang shelf.
Ang ganda.
Yuck.
Careful with the nails, huh? This is the laundry. And this is another room.
Where's my room?
Yeah, you want to stay there? Have you seen our room? This is our room. I know this is kitchen.
That's a big, big
Big
kitchen.
yeah. And this is, what is it?
Nilagyan na ng ano.
Another room, this one pa?
Room.
Oh.
That will be my room.
Where do you want? Some near our room? This is the kitchen. We'll go to the here and I show you our room. So we'll be next in my room.
Wow.
Careful. So this is our room. It has a toilet and
What's
bath.
here?
That's the well. Oh, don't touch. That's where you put your clothes. And this is our bathroom.
Wow.
Wow. And then I'll show you your room. You stay in our. This is your room.
Where?
Here.
This is a small room.
Yeah, but you're small anyway. You want big room? Because the reason why I put you here, because near our room. You want far from our room?
You know, if
It's up to you. Which room do you want?
come, what's this gonna be? Like a
nothing.
table?
Yeah, we'll put table on there. I left my bag there. Hang on a second. Papa, did you lock the car? The car, did you lock it? Because I left my bag. Careful, huh? Careful.
Oh, I got scratched.
Huh?
The room. Look at that. The room I want to be is here. Oh, I got scratched too bad. Here.
I want it there.
Yeah.
I think that's a room house. That's
What?
where we, like a TV room. You want that room? Okay, we'll make it a room for you. Gusto niyo daw dito you're gonna be far from us.
You know where your TV, where you put your big TV?
What?
That's the same as that one. You know your big TV, the biggest TV?
You know you've got a movie room there?
The TV room?
That's the same as that. Maybe this one is small as well, but it's a little bit bigger than the one I showed you, no?
Yeah.
Do you want it there?
Yeah.
Okay.